Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to remove slime growth in a bathroom sink. Now, slime growth is a direct component of the soaps we use. These soaps have antibacterial benefits, and these benefits deter the growth of bacteria. So bacteria is present in everything, and we need it to break down these components. So how do we remedy this problem? Well, short of taking apart your plumbing, you could use a coat hanger, kind of clean the piping. You can apply chemicals down the drain, which I really wouldn't recommend. They're harsh, they're caustic, they do damage to the environment. There's a natural combination of baking soda and salt and water that you can use to clean out the pipes, but I don't really know how effective that is, to be honest with you. What I would really suggest is pouring bleach down the drain once a month, and that should alleviate the problem that you'd have in the future. This was some tips on removing slime growth in a bathroom sink. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, helping you build a better life, and we'll see you next time.